Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today is actually our 25th episode, so come on back, let's get behind the scenes today. Here's all of our stuff. Look at what we do all the time here. But anyway, let's get rolling.
Wait, I'm in front of the... Oh, jeez.
Oh man, we still haven't perfected after 25. Anyway, let's get down to business. So today, we're gonna talk about, can you install spray foam on a sloped roof? And a lot of people have been on our website asking us questions about that. And the short answer is yes. It doesn't matter if it's a flat roof, 1/12, 12x12, 12/14. We've done all kinds of sloped roofs and we can spray foam over any of them. But today I want to go through a couple other questions that some people have, and they want to know how much does it cost? Does it cost anything extra? And the cost, it's about 20 to 30% more than a flat roof. And there's three reasons why. The first reason is the cost of a lift. You know, certainly having a lift on staff, just having more equipment just costs more in general. The second thing is slower installation rates. I'll just put slower installation there. So when you have a guy working on a lift, spraying, he can only move so much. Now you have two guys, you know, in a lift, you know, one guy moving, one guy spraying, but it's not as free moving as if you're on a roof just walking around spraying and continuously going through the whole process. And then the last thing is the increased exposure overspray. Increased overspray exposure. You know, when you're in the lift and you're spraying by yourself, there's no one to hold a windscreen, or there's no cage to shoot, you know, under or around. You're kind of just by yourself there, so you got to be extremely aware of where the wind's coming, where it's coming from. There's no one else that can protect you or give you any way to help you know, stop that overspray. Certainly look in the blog post. There's examples before and afters of domes, you know, buildings with you know popular 6x12 slope. There's even one with a 12x14 slope. But go on our website, check out the examples, and if you have any other questions, you know, please let us know. Hopefully you learned at least something new today. We can do spray foam over sloped roofs, and have a good day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.